Hey, hello guys, it's How to Tech Simplified, and in this easy tutorial today I'm going to show you how to actually lock a PDF file and encrypt it for other users. Now it's very easy. All you have to do is grab the PDF file right here and go down to a browser. Doesn't matter which browser. Now from there we open up the website ilovepdf.com. Now this will take us to this website where there are loads of PDF tools. Now from here we scroll down till we find the Protect PDF. Now this will protect the PDF file with a password. It will encrypt the PDF file documents to prevent unauthorized access. So simply select this and select the PDF that you want to lock. Drag it inside, and as you can see right here, you can set a password to the PDF. Now here simply do 123, for example 123, and a protect PDF, and what this will do, it will make it and download the PDF. And as you can see here, you need to enter a password. Now let's do the 123. And that's it. If you still get any questions, leave them in the comments down below. If this video has helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. It helps me out a lot, but most importantly, thank you for watching.